Hello, welcome to math for module 2, lesson 19. Let's go ahead and do it really fast. All right, your objective today is I can decompose twice to subtract measurements, including 3-digit, bless me, with zeros in the tens and ones place. All right, you should know your evidence by now. It's super easy. You should, we go through it every day, so you should already know that. All right, let's say the number sentence in units of 1. 10 ones minus 5 ones is what? If I have 10 ones and 5 ones, so 10 minus 5 is, and then 12 ones minus 5 ones, 42 ones minus 5 ones, okay? 10 minus 5 is 5. 12 ones minus 5 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 ones. 42 minus 5, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. 37 ones. Okay, accidentally pressed it too fast. 100 ones minus 50 ones. This should be super easy. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So if I have 100 minus 50, it should be what? Okay, let's go through these ones. 100 ones minus 50 is 50. 120 ones minus 50 ones is what? 120, I'm just going to think about that. 50. If I add 2 tens to the 50 there, I'm going to say it's 70. 70, all right? 450 minus, or 420 minus 50. Look at the one across. 37 was 42 minus 5, so what is it going to be for 420 minus 5? 370. Okay, if you looked right across, you could have seen that all you had to do was add a 0. All right, 380 liters minus 26 liters. What is that one? 380 liters minus 26 liters. 0. Can I take 6 from 0? No, so I'm going to steal a 10. And that turns into a 7. So that's a 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5, and then I don't have anything for my 100, so I'm going to put a 3. So 354 for that one. Let's see if I'm right. 354 liters. Ooh, it's being weird. Let's do 80 liters minus 26 liters. If I do, can I take a 6 from 0? Nope, so I have to do a 10. So that turns into a 7. 1, 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. Or 4, sorry. 7 minus 2, that's not right. That should be a 5. It's 54. Right? 908 minus 25 grams is 883 grams. Try this one on your own. 908 grams minus 425. Look about what this one is and think about what this one would be. 8 minus 5 is 3. I can't take 2 from 0, so I have to steal one from my hundreds. That turns into an 8. That's a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 9 turns into that 8, so 8 minus 4 is 4. So 488, or 483 is what I'm going to say. All right, round to the nearest 100. 253 would be what if it rounded to the nearest 100? Look, your tens place. What do you think it is? 300, because your 5 go up. 1,253. Don't look at this. You're not rounding to your nearest 1,000. You want to do hundreds, just like we done the last one. So the 2 is what's going to stay a 2 or go up. What happens to your 5? Does it go up or down? Up, right? So 5 is going to make the 2 go to a 3, so it's going to be 1,300. 735. What happens to the 7? Does it stay a 7 or go up? What does 3 do? 3 goes down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, all round down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 round up. So our 3 is going to make our 7 stay the same, so 700. Same thing, we just had 735, and we have 1,735. What did I round my 7 to? The 7, right? Because it went down, so it's 1,700. 850. This kind of confuses a couple of you because 5 is right in the middle, but you have to think 5 goes up, so 850 is going to go up to 900. 1,850, same thing, don't let it trip you up. If it says hundreds, you're only going to focus on your 8. 1,900, it goes up. 952, what does that 5 tell the 9 to do? Can I go up another 100? What is that 9 going to round to? 1,000. 1,371, rounded to the nearest 100. What does the 7 tell the 3 to do? Don't worry about the 1,000. What does the 7 tell the 3 to do? Go up or down? Up, right? 1,400. 1,450, don't let it trick you. 5 goes up, so the 4 goes up. 1,500. As our redraw right. 417 grams. So we have a tape diagram here. One box has 223. We know that the total of both boxes is 417. So I want to find this third box. Jolene brings an apple and an orange with her to school. The weight of both pieces of fruit together is 417 grams. The apple weighs 223 grams. What is the weight of Jolene's orange? Okay. I need to do this math problem. I need to subtract in order to find what the orange weighs. 7 minus 3 is 4. I can't take 2 from 1, so I need to steal. So that becomes 11. The 4 turns into a 3. 11 minus 2 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. Make sure that you show your work, okay? Jolene's orange weighs 194 grams. How much more does the apple weigh than the orange? This is the second part of that problem. Remember, where it's a 2-step problem, so you have to do subtraction twice. All right, how much more does the apple weigh than the orange? 223 grams for the apple minus the 194 grams of the orange. Can I take 4 from 3? No, so I have to steal. My 2 turns into a 1. My 3 turns into 13. 13 minus 4 is 9, so you're going to write a 9 there. If you don't know how to do that, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. I have 4 fingers, that's my minus 4, so it came out to 9. I can't take 9 from 1, which is what my 2 is now, a 1. So I need to steal 100. That becomes a 1, that becomes a 12. 12 minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 fingers. So that's going to be a 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 39 should be my answer. Let's see if I did that right. Unbundle, unbundle, unbundle. I say steal, but technically I think it's unbundle. Right. Here we go. 1, 13, 1, 11. Solve the problem. 29 grams. Oh, that's right. 9, 10, 11. Yep, 29. Don't forget your label. If it has a label, make sure you have it. 342 centimeters minus 55 centimeters. You make sure you steal. Make sure you bundle. I can't take 5 from 2. So I need to steal a 10. Makes it a 3. makes this a 12. 12 minus 5 is, oh, it's not quite there yet, 13. There you go, 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So 287. Make sure that you try to do these on your board first before you watch it. All right, I'm going to go pretty fast through this one because I think you guys are getting it. I think you're going to do great. It's just going to unbundle all of these first before it shows you. All right, 14 minus 5 is 14. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So it's going to be a 9 in the ones place. 15 minus 8, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. That's going to be a 7 in the tens. And 6 minus 4 is 2. You should know that one. 279 grams. You're doing great. It's going to unbundle. Right, 13 minus 5 is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So there's going to be an 8 there. 16 minus 7, 16, 12, or 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So that's going to be a 9. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. 190, was it 7? 98, sorry. There we go, 198. All right. Corinne has 703 milliliters of water in a pitcher. She pours some water out. Now 124 milliliters are left in the pitcher. How much water did she pour out? You're going to subtract your big number and take away this. So 703 on top, 124 on bottom. That's what you're taking out. I need to unbundle. I need to steal because I can't take zeros and I can't take 4 from 3. Turns into a 6, that's a 10. That becomes a 9, and then that is a 13. Okay? And you're going to solve. 13 minus 4 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 6 minus 1 is 5. Good job. I'm going to skip this because you're doing great. Make sure that you unbundle when you need to. And don't forget your labels. All right, once you're finished watching this video, you're good to go on to your problem set. Remember, problem sets are 10 minutes. Do as much as you can in 10 minutes and then move on. Don't worry about finishing it, okay? The thing that I need is your exit ticket because that is graded. All right? If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.